Variables are containers for storing information. To define variable, we can use let, const or var. But when we use ES6, never use var because using var keyword is outdated and old way to define variables. So only use const and let. Const stands for constant. It means the variable's reference cannot be reassigned, and we have let. Let is used if you know the variable's value need to change later. Both let and const use block scope. This means the variable is only accessible inside the nearest part of curly braces. Okay, let's create few variables. First I will create const min number equal 1. And here you can add semicolon after end the line, or you can skip the semicolon, but I suggest you to use semicolon because when we use other programming language like PHP, Solidity or Java, we need to use semicolon. Okay, now our next constant variable will be max number and it will be 10. Let's remove this part. Okay, as I told before, we can't change the constant variable. Here I will just add console.log and let's check the min number and press Ctrl S or Command S, and then here you can find out the min number. And here if you try to change the min number equal to, and I press Command S, here you can see an error, assignment to constant variable. Okay, now here I will add the let, and I will add let total val equal 0, and here I will make total val equal min number plus max number. And now if we here add console about total val, and also let's create another console.log here, but it will be total val. And now if we check here, it show 0 is the first log, so let's add it like output 1, and let's add the same here, output 2. And here you can see first we have the output as 0 and then we have the output as 11. So when we define our variable as let, we can change it in future, but if we use constant or const, we can't change that value. Okay, I will remove this console logs for now, and let's create another variable, let puppy, and the puppy will be rusty, and let's console.log, let's get the output of puppy, and here we got the rusty as the name, and on here we use numbers and here we use string or text. And in next lesson we will talk about data types. And another important thing is, if you already create a variable, you can't recreate it like this. Let's make this name as nugget, and here you can see an error, so it says cannot redeclare scope variable. So what we can do is we can reassign like this. So we just created the variable and we reassign its name. So if we add two console logs, first the puppy is rusty, and when we change it to nugget, it changes as nugget.